The sum of three consecutive even integers is 78. Find the integers. So now we have three consecutive even integers. So an example of three consecutive even integers would be 2, 4, 6, or 6, 8, 10, or 14, 16, 18, right? So even integers that follow one another. So when we're constructing this problem, how we label our variables is you can let n be the first even integer. Then for the second even integer, think of how you get from one even integer to another. For example, 2, 4, 6. How do you get from 2 to 4? Well, you add 2. So it stands to reason that the second even integer would be the first even integer plus 2. And then finally the third even integer would be plus 4. So for example, getting from 2 to 6, you add 4. So now we've labeled our variables, and now we get to interpret the problem. So it says that the sum of these three consecutive integers, so n plus 2 plus n plus 4 is 78. So is equal to 78. And now we want to find the integers. So let's combine like terms on the left side of the equation. We have 3n's, so 3n plus 2 and 4, which is 6, is equal to 78. And now, solving for n, we want to subtract a 6 from each side of the equation. So we get 3n is equal to 72. And then finally, divide both sides by 3. And we get that n is equal to 72 over 3, which simplifies to 24. So now we know that n, which is the first even integer, is 24. So if you want to write down what the integers are, n is 24. So then the next integer is n plus 2, which is going to be 24 plus 2, which is 26. And then the third even integer is n plus 4. So 24 plus 4 is 28. So you want to say that the three consecutive even integers are 24, 26, and 28.